So we've just celebrated 1 year of the Squirrel Scout section here in the UK. And here's 10 facts about squirrels you probably didn't know. So if you've not heard about the Squirrel section, it's a new section here in UK Scouting for young people aged 4 to 6. So it'll be squirrels, beavers, cubs, scouts, explorers, network, leader. That's the new sections that we've got here in Scouts UK. Fact number 1, there's 11,000 young people participating as squirrels. The squirrel section is known as a Drey, and there's 700 of them across the UK. Fact number 3, each Drey is then split up into smaller groups known as nests. There's 12 activity badges and 4 challenge badges. The top squirrel badge that any squirrel can achieve is the Chief Scout Acorn badge. So what's the meaning of the red jumper that the squirrels wear? Well, that represents the red squirrels that can be found on Brownsea Island. So the leader ratio is 1 to 6 indoors plus the squirrel leader, 1 to 4 outside plus the leader, and you must have a minimum of 3 adult helpers, no matter how many squirrels attend that meeting. Fact number 8, Squirrel Scouts have a motto and a promise, but no scout law. Fact number 9, the last new section to open in Scouts UK was over 35 years ago. Do you remember that section? Yes, it was the beavers, and they were introduced in 1986. Last fact here about Squirrel Scouts. What's the scout leader's name? So in Cubs we have Arcala, in Scouts we have Skip. Squirrel Scouts leader is known as Red. There you go, 10 fascinating facts as we celebrate 1 year of the UK Scout Squirrel Section. And if you're a Squirrel Scout, I hope you're having fun. Till next time, guys, check out this playlist, more fascinating facts about Scouts. See you next time.